Here we are.
Go.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to our kitchen, my Kudos kitchen. With today, I have my dear little great niece Pemberly and my sweet little great nephew Will.
So,
And so we're going to be cooking today. So it's going to be something fun and easy for the kids to make. Perfect for the summertime. And what are we making again? Do you guys remember?
today we are making pizza nachos.
Yeah.
He is younger than me. He's just on a step stool, so that's why he looks so tall.
That's true. He is on a step stool.
Oh, I'm like 9 years old.
10. Will, how old are you?
9.
9 and 10.
And I'm very sure
I'm
for
not
my
giving
age.
my age. So, okay, you guys, do you remember what I said we're going to do?
He's as old as my
I
grandpa.
am short for
Yes.
my age.
Okay. All right. So we're starting with the nacho
Nachos.
chips. Okay, Pam, take it away.
Okay.
Okay,
What the?
whoa, you get a lot, Will. You know what? Let me turn the camera down so you can see how much fun and how many nachos are going out on the trays.
Can I have a nacho?
Pretty many. Pemberly, did you use the whole bag?
No.
No.
You might as well. Put them all out there.
I'm gonna eat a nacho.
Okay,
Mm.
great. Okay,
These are really easy to make.
yes, they are. And
The
Will,
first step is
take a time, yep. Spread them out real nice.
Mm.
Okay, so they're in very good, Pemberly. So they're in a nice even layer. And then remember what we did, we're going to do next, guys?
Sauce.
Sauce. We're going to sauce them up. So
first.
open your jars.
Mm.
They're already open.
No.
I think it's there you go, flip cap. Okay? Flip cap. Now, Will, you can squeeze them. Squeeze it all over.
It looks like I got.
You're silly.
a bloody eye. Oops.
Okay, go
It
ahead.
looks like I cut myself.
Oh, okay, we gotta look to see what Pemberly's doing. She's squeezing the pizza sauce all over the nachos. Pam, use all of it. Okay, we want these really nice and squeezy. Okay, get all of them, Will, all over. Good job. Keep going. There you go.
Well,
There.
what the-
Get some in the corners. Good job. Okay, excellent. Wow. Okay, Pam, that's a good idea. Get it out really fast.
Looks like I'm bleeding.
It does.
does.
It really does.
Do you feel okay? You're not hurt, are you? Look
Yeah.
at your face. I didn't see that before. Oh my goodness, look at that guy. Ah! Our kitty cat scratched.
Just so you know, no, it's just the sauce.
It's just the sauce. Okay, good.
It's just the sauce.
Glad to hear it. Yeah, kind of sticky too. And they both did wash their hands with soap before we started.
Of course.
Of course.
Everybody gotta wash their hands before they
There
cook.
you go. Okay, guys, what comes next? Do you remember?
Cheese, but first I need to wash my hands.
Pepperoni and
Oh,
cheese.
here, take this.
Pepperoni and cheese.
Okay, that's an
Will,
doing
do you need
some
to wipe your
cheese.
hands?
No,
Will doesn't believe in wiping his hands, so we get that.
I'm messy.
Okay, you're messy that way. I thought we were doing cheese first, but
Trust,
go
I
ahead.
have an idea.
Yeah, do whatever you like.
I'm gonna do something.
We're going to use a whole package. They're sharing a package of pepperoni.
And there's also Munster cheese
And
that we went
Munster.
all over to get it.
Yes, and you're going to put it on in sheets. Okay, perfect.
I'm just gonna take a piece and rip
Yeah.
it up.
Okay, that's a good idea too. We like that.
Wait, after this, the final
Yeah.
part, because I saw in your video, one of your videos.
Yeah, watch my videos?
No,
Oh, okay, go ahead.
like when I was playing
No.
Roblox, I saw
Oh, yeah,
your
yeah.
video, and
Yeah.
yep,
Yeah.
Never
that,
taken
like
some of
the
this
final
cheese.
part.
There you go, right.
Taste
wow, that's a
test.
lot of cheese, Pam. Spread that out.
You said to use all the cheese.
I did, I know. And that's
All
good.
right, cheesy meat,
Okay.
cheese.
And then what we're
I
going to
love
do,
cheese.
after the cheese is nicely spread out and more pepperonis are added, we are going to bake these in the oven.
Can you turn up?
Turn it up. Let's turn it up.
You
We're
can
gonna-
eat some.
You can
Ow!
eat some.
Watch.
What is this?
Oh, that's to
Oh,
keep
it's in the pepperoni.
fresh. Don't eat that part. That's not for consumption. So we're gonna bake these pepperoni pizza nachos in a preheated oven, 350 degrees, for about, well, till the cheese is melted. So it's probably going to be about a good 15 minutes, maybe 20. I don't know. We'll find out together. So we'll let them finish up their pizza, nachos, and we will do a taste test when they're done. So keep going, guys.
I'm tasting the pepperoni.
Yeah.
Yeah,
they're
you
good.
did that in the beginning before the video started too.
Okay. We're
Boy, I
gonna,
really like pepperoni. It's spicy.
okay, we're going to check down one more time. Oh, they're looking good, guys. Yummy.
Wait, use all the pepperoni.
I'm
All
sorry.
right, Will, do you want to spread your cheese out anymore? Or is
Can
that
you
good?
help?
Can I
Wait,
help?
it's.
Yeah, it's pretty saucy now, though. There you go. Okay.
Wait, I'm not done.
All right, we're just about finished and ready to go in the oven.
If you're not
guys?
Okay. Just
Will, you all set?
One last cheese.
Okay.
Okay, we're
Check
ready.
back in a few minutes and we'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, we're back, and guess what? Pizza nachos are out of the oven, and we are
Oh, and they're looking
joined by,
good.
who are we joined by?
Gigi.
RGG and
her
her
mom.
This is my mom.
Hello.
So,
Oh, I'm getting a taste.
yes.
Yeah.
So let
Oh.
me pan
wait.
down because it's taste test time with the pepperoni pizza nachos.
This one didn't
Oh,
even
can I
get
take
any.
that one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Look at how they look. Don't they look good?
They look delicious.
They do.
This
Make
is
sure
a-
to grab one with a bunch of cheese.
Mmm.
Okay, and then we'll get the taste test.
Oh, you guys cook great
Wow.
things.
Yes,
Oh,
yes, they
tasty.
do. There we go. Did you get some? Yeah, Mom. Got some? Yay.
I got some. Mm-hmm.
So, what's the verdict?
On a
Chef
score of
kiss.
10 to,
Chef's kiss. All right, that's the
on a
best.
score of 10, I'll say a 9.
10.
9.5.
Did you get the Munster cheese?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Awesome.
And
I'm
what
gonna
I
have to-
did?
Mm.
I'll try one. Will, I'll try one of yours if that's okay.
A 7.
A 7, huh? I want one with a lot of cheese.
In
Wonderful.
my opinion.
In your opinion.
You can have one of mine. I have a lot of cheese.
Oh, I got sauce, and
Mhm.
that's okay. Sauce and sauce.
Good.
Good job, guys.
You did good cooking.
Thumbs up for
Yep.
pepperoni pizza nachos. So thanks for joining us today. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs
Thumbs
up
up.
and consider subscribing. And maybe Will and Pemberley will join me again sometime. Not real soon, but
Sometime.
just kidding. They're fun to have. So,
Bye, everybody.
see you next time. Thanks for joining. Bye.
Mmm.
One more bye.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Excellent.
10 out of 10.
Bye.
Make sure to have
Oh,
paper
it's done.
towels.
I taste like lasagna.
Make sure to have paper
Yay.
towels.
Ooh, I think I'm going to make this for when I go to my
Uh-huh.
driveway.
You should.
Mm-hmm.
Because it couldn't be any easier, right, guys? Jeez, Pam. Look at you. Take it easy, kid.
I bet your mom would be happy to see this too.
She will.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's on.
A little bit of the sauce fried up.
Oh. Simple but tasty.
See, I'm glad you came for lunch.
I am too.
Yeah, worked out.
I'm glad you invited me for lunch.
Mm.
I didn't realize that my great-grandchildren were such good cooks.
They are.
Do you cook at home? Do you do anything? Yeah? What do you make at home?
Food.
It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Get this and more tasty recipes on my website, kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.